Good morning. I'm back with a NCT Dream pre-work reaction, Rains in Heaven. Now I'm so excited because RENJUN is in the promotions and is in this music video. I think he'll be promoting this as well, as far as I'm aware, like doing the music shows and stuff. But he's still not doing the concerts. But it's just so good to see him. I love that he's participating in this. So let's see what it's all about. I've seen a few clips here and there, very like just mainly the outfits. I haven't seen much about what the actual song is about. So let's do it. There we go.
In the morning when you wake up,
My God, hi.
thinking about how you wanna run away from here, wanna cry
Okay, I was about to say it's feeling emotional. Jesus, Mark.
and disappear. There's something that you need to hear. Every night you become my sky.
Chandler, you've been really affecting me. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was double biased with Jamin and RENJUN, but anyway, it's fine. Obviously, I love everyone, but you've been really affecting me anyway.
Cause we're blessing never enough. You don't believe.
Hi! Oh my God, you're looking so beautiful. Oh, wow. Okay, one moment.
We're blessing never enough. You don't believe it. There's something that you need to see.
How you doing?
Yeah, it's a reflection, clouds up in heaven. They have a message for you and me. I know that you feel all, I know that you're lost all.
Talking out.
I am always by your side. We are all the same, but we're different.
Wow, why is it the most depressing bop ever?
I heard when you cry, it rains in heaven. I won't let you fall down. In my arms, only in my arms.
Oh my God, hi!
Keep your heart with me, let me read it.
Guys, it's really a lot after these last 10 days. It's
All your tears remind me you're beautiful.
not a rainy moment.
It won't change how I think. I love the way you are, the way you are. Yeah, I say now take it step by step. Stay on to the
Oh my
next
God!
dream with no regrets. Oh, don't ever let go. I wanna hold you, girl, I adore you. Just let me show you.
Oh, this is so adorable. Oh, there's so much new music out. I'm feeling overwhelmed, but this is so sweet.
Let's go. We ain't ever looking back, no, don't look.
Sorry, I just really miss you, King. Oh my God! Slay the center moment. This game is so good. Oh my God! Fucking slay!
Keep your heart with me. Let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful.
I've seen your concert. My friends went to your concert in Singapore, I think, and I would fucking die. Mark and Hedgen, I've seen you at KCON, and you're a lot. Mark has been really affecting me this whole group. I'm very scared. I haven't deep dived fully to Dream, but the trajectory it's very strong. Anyway. Oh. Fuck! You've been having a no sleeves moment for like the most recent comebacks, and it's a lot.
Falling like a shooting star.
Oh,
Get you anywhere you are. You ain't even gotta call. 'Cause I'll be there overseas.
I think play the vocals.
When you cry, raising heaven, no, no, no. You fall down.
I really don't know. Wow, you're also everyone in this room. Don't do that. It's so sweet. Oh, everyone. It's the saddest pop ever. Like, really, it's like we're all fucked up, but I love you. You know, that's what the vibe is. But it's just such an upbeat, sad bop. Yeah.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Have to be with like the getting stuff. No.
Yes, I do.
That was really a lot to take. It's fine. Wow. Bestie fucking sight. Oh, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. I love it. I love it. Is it just like a single right now? Yeah. Okay. Slaying the day. Love it. RENJUN, I missed you.